back on session. What did we miss? So we got March. Do we finish February 27th? I think so. Oh, we started in March. Okay, so March 5th, I think, is when we took our last trade. We're the last session. The music too loud? I don't think so. Okay, so we last trade was on March 5th. So start new. So if we're doing March 5th, the 6th was a Friday. Maybe close to open. Oh, am I dancing? All right, looking like we're heading to this low here. Buy side, I do want to see if we'll manipulate off this and then have some sort of reaction. No. We're gonna look for the 9:30 open because we only trade 9:30 to 11. Turn on our sessions, our fair value gap, so we see. Yeah, I don't even need to mark anymore. I got a session tool, so I'll see now. Yeah. What the? Oh, I was like, what the frick is that? Okay. Looks like we're starting to buy up here. Ooh, do I want to take this? Yeah. Well, we manipulate this low. Let's just talk the logic. Manipulate this low. We have a fair value gap projected from here, but if we can close above, that's muy bueno. We did just close CISD above this. And we had a strong close. It is high in the range. You know, I'm just gonna. Dang, who put on this fire beats though? Maybe I should have. I'm gonna have it under the displacement leg candle. This. Because you can only do so much. Under this low here. It's a little more risky, but even if it messes up, I'm gonna drill this, and then I'll say that we're under displacement leg out of the fair value gap. Oh, that's not looking good. Expected that. Holy dump. Okay, but I mean, it is early in the session, so that makes sense. Okay, so let's see, March what? Friday 6. So that's Friday, March. What day was this? 8:30 is unemployment. Losing. I mean, the stop place wasn't that good, and also I don't want to have that big of a stop. Still technically bullish. $9.32. This was Well, okay, I just realized it's not valid because this is the actual CSD high and we soup it. Oh, this is a kind of good time. That's not valid. We didn't really close above 43 because we souped it. Remember, we don't take those. Choose. We need to keep it A plus, boys. We'll make money in these markets. Souped. No CXD. Not valid. But we still, the shop place was gay as heck, honestly. Under under I guess I'll just say no. Gap low high soup timing. This is on the 1 minute. All right, let's get a valid continuation. I want to see one that I would actually take. Close above. Souped it. Okay, I do like this. We have to close above this too, though. We soup that. What is wrong? I just want to see what's wrong. So we have a close. I want to just figure out what's wrong with this trade. This gap is already filled. The next gap is not up till here. The next gap's not till there. We closed above CISD. We respected the low here. The one thing I'll say is there's no time on the respected low, so let's just see. Yeah. Avoided that crap. We need to see, so there's an IFEG. One of my setups is IFEG, CSD, and do we have time on manipulation? That was good though. Oh, wait, this is choppy as heck today. We keep just souping these highs. Alright, here we go. Here's our displacement. Here's 1007. Okay, we have a soup into this gap. We do need to close above here. Potential nice doll. We don't have an IFEG. Doll's up here. This could be a valid trade. Let's see what we get. Oh, there's a internal gap. No. Nope. Alright, what's this? Respecting bear gaps. We should IFEG this. And we have a close above. The time? No. Good trade though. See what the range looks like. Goes to EQ level. $10.30. Close above. Open fair value gap here. We did soup also. I do like this. It's hard to backtest if you don't get the best entries. 45 point. Target the high. I'll be chopping. Bam. Okay. That's a good one. Okay, why I did this trade. We had a fair value up here, protecting our stop also. Open FPG there. We soup this low here. So I do need to write this down. I'm looking for an open FPG. Okay, what the heck? It has a soup coming down into it and an IFVG. Okay, this would be crazy. So just think about this: a soup, the FEG, IFVG, and CISD. Hold up. I might need to cook with this, but let me log this real quick. The thing is, they might be rare trades. Get it in 1 minute. But it might just be worth it, honestly. Because less trades mean more probability to be higher win rate if we're having good trades. What was this? 10 big one? What was this? This was soup and CISD. Let me just edit these real quick. FEG terminal soup plus time. Let's say plus GB. You want to see this? Alright, plus time. Plus. We're pretty much making different probability setups. CSD. Let's change state and delivery. That's a pretty good one. So there's a lot of different combinations. Let me just do that real quick after I do this. Well, that's the first trade I took with that. 145. CSD close. Stop placement was below the soup and gap. 30 sec. Alright boys, I'm just gonna show y'all this. So there's that trade. So here's our normal one. This is what I'm thinking of to combine it. So this is what I'm saying. So we have, this might be seem crazy. I don't know if we'll get these. IPG plus FEG plus CISD plus turtle soup. Y'all, this might be crazy, but it might be super high limit. IPG plus FEG plus CISD plus turtle soup plus time. Holy rare trade. What would this even look like? Hold up, boys. Do heading 3. Is this is CSD time, or this is just FVG? It could have time. CSD plus FVG. It could have time though. There's the examples. So we have FPG. We want to close inside or out of it, and then displace close to this, load and close the second. Same with the bullish example. There's an example I took. CSD. Okay, so this, what is this going to look like? So by fair value gap, my bad boys. Did I lock that picture? Yes, okay. So entry models. FPG. Oh my gosh, how's this gonna look? I'll just put it over here. So we're gonna have a soup created first, which a soup is usually always present anyway. So super low into an FPG, we inverse a gap, and we close above. Oh wow. So here's our total soup. Here is our FVG. It's kind of like going into the FVG though. And then our CSD here. And our IVG here. Wow. That could be a setup. That could be a setup. Let me take a picture of that. Dang it. But get this right, boys. All right. Let's look for this setup. This will be interesting. Where would it be? Screenshots. So that's a bullish example. The bears should just be the same, obviously. Let's see what we get. All right. Day's almost over. I do want to see what we could have presented. I'm going to turn on this just so you can see it. Show IFEGs. There's some big ones. Are these 1 hours? The frick? Oh, my bad. The music's off. What do y'all want to? What do Playboy? I feel like it needs to be same time frame, 30 second. Just a chart. How's that? That's a 30-second gap. What the frick it is? So there's a tap. Wait. Let him cook. What do we have? A soup? A tap into gap. I mean, it is anti-trend. Only thing. And an inversion, and where's our CSD leg? This high, or the other high? Let's see. Now invalidate that. We don't get the CSD. This is an interesting idea for trades, though. There's something. That could be on one, right? There you go. Got a dip. Souped it though. Alright, I'm done with Friday. Now clean the towel. Alright, what's next week? Let's do February. Nine. Range. Let's see what we do to open. The obvious stall here, unless we start versing off this FPG. Oh, what the frick? Well, there goes the doll. We did have trades into it. Not too crazy. Yeah, we can't use that data point. Thing about super old charts, you can't use 1 30 seconds. Quickly pulls up here. Yeah, it's more of a reversal zone. Never mind. Okay, now I want to see a switch order flow. Switched order flow. Holy, no trades the whole session. Okay, it's the last second is the trade. 11 is macro. I do want to see us close below here, but there are opposing FPGs. But they're always going to be opposing FPGs, that's the thing. We souped it. We're cooked. What are we looking for? 30. Yeah, we're souping, boys. Doesn't look like we're gonna respect anything. Hey. Okay, so this is what I'm struggling. There's a bullish bias. Oh, this chill music. I can't. Okay, so I'm trying to figure out. So we're trading inside this pocket here. We're pretty much trying to predict what price is going to do in this area. me do full analysis of a day and see if that helps. So let's go to the next day, because I've been just not doing my entire analysis. All right, let's try this so we get close. Let me treat it like it's real instead of backtesting and being an idiot. All right, so full analysis. What do we have? Soup here. Coming off this gap here. It's holding price down. The range high. See something like this. So I'm initially bearish. Want to see thus take these lows down here. Yeah, okay, there's our bearish movement. So this thing is, it's hard to get retraces. There's a retrace, but it's not no FEG open. Likely is the inversion there. Rejection from that. It's a good displacement day. Wow, they're just leaving these bellwoods open, dude. Not taking reversal. Whew, it's gonna be a good day. Trying to figure out what to do. Just no continuations. I mean, unless there's something 30, I can't tell. Alright, I'm just gonna do some more revising on the system and get it to one of the frameworks where I like the trade, and then I'll come back to some more. Peace.